Hi, good people. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Good morning, wherever you are. I'm Rita from Kisumu, Kenya, and this is my YouTube channel. Guys, if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking this video and hit that notification bell and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much and I appreciate it so much. So in today's video, we are going to cook chapati. We're going to make breakfast and I'm going to teach you how to cook layered sweet chapati and soft. Okay, so let's get to the video and make breakfast. Come with me. So first thing first, you have to put it into small roll. And this is my style. This is how I'm doing it. After rolling it this way, we add some oil. And then you spread. You spread evenly. Then guys, this is the secret. The secret is this. I'm not going to talk about it and I'm not going to shout. This is our secret. Then you cut it into pieces. Are you seeing that? This one, it will give you layers and it's very soft. Have you seen how that is even? You see? So the next step, we are going to heat our milk. And this is our chapati pan. This one. This is the best. I've used it several, so don't mind the color. This is the best in cooking chapati. Do not use this one. This is fake. You either use this or this. Sawa. Okay, so we are going to roll. And I'm going to show you how this will produce layers of chapati even before you cook it. I don't know if camera can show you. There is already layers. Are you seeing the layers? Both sides. So this one is still not cooked yet. What if it is cooked? Let's wait and see. Our pan was already clean, so don't mind. It is very clean and hot at the same time. Meanwhile, we will wait for it to be very hot. It's hot but not yet. We will wait until it's very hot. As we are waiting, we will continue rolling. So before we continue, I got this rolling pin from Kibuye. Kibuye Market. If you are in Kisumu, you know Kibuye Market. Yeah, it's very cheap. One day I'll take you there when we go for grocery shopping. You see? It's even peeling. I don't know if the camera can do the justice, but it's peeling. I know some of you are asking themselves, why am I using this flour? I'm using it so that it can enable the rolling easily. Are you seeing that? Meanwhile, our pan is very hot, so we can go in. Oh, I also got this pan from Kibuye Market. It is the largest air market in East Africa. So, as you are waiting for this, let's catch up a little bit. Tell me in the comment section, where are you watching me from? If you're in Kenya, thank you so much. I know most of my viewers are from India. Thank you so much for watching. And Vietnam and Uganda. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video and you're from Turkey, tell me in the comment section so that I know, because very soon I will visit. Are you seeing our chapati? So to avoid using a lot of oil, I recommend you use this serving spoon. You just dip, you don't carry a lot of oil, then you do this way. Are you seeing? So that you don't use a lot of oil. I don't like a lot of oil. This is our oil. Yeah. I want to see the peeling. how this chapati is layered and it's peeling itself. Are you seeing this? Hmm? Let me bring another spoon. Are you seeing this? It's not even ready yet. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see this. So that is what I was talking about. Okay? So on this we are going to add another one. This is the fastest way to cook chapati. But if you are a beginner, don't try this. You will burn yourself. So the reason why I'm doing this is when the outer ones are cooking, this one can still hold the heat and remain soft. Okay? Meanwhile, I'm going to roll another one. Are you seeing the process? And trust you me, you will love this. Don't mind me laughing, I'm laughing with my sister. As I told you earlier, this is what you do. You don't put a lot of oil. Then you let the dripping. Guys, you're seeing the process. So you want to see what I was talking about? Oh, it's hot. Very hot. See? I see. And it's very soft. Look at that. Whew. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Are you seeing? Are you seeing the layers? The layers. Oh, mm, 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 mm. Very sweet. This is very sweet. And it's so soft. This one, even a baby can eat it. Very soft. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Sorry, but it was a job. Thank you. I'm going to leave the ingredients and process in the description box. So if you're watching this and you want ingredients, go to the description box and you will find the ingredients. So guys, that is the process. You repeat the same process until you're done. Okay? So without any further ado, let me finish up the remaining ones. Then we will talk later. Okay? Make sure you subscribe, guys. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and support your girl. I road to 500 subscribers. Kindly subscribe and thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bye bye.